At this point we can create new albums, we can get one or a collection of existing albums, and we can update an album either partially or fully. Now we're going to implement the process of deleting individual albums through the Symfony 4 FOSRESTBundle API. As our BHAT tests don't have direct access to our database, the way that we're going to check if an album has been deleted is through dog food in our own API. This will be a 3-step process where first we check if the album exists, then we'll delete it, and then we'll check that the album doesn't exist. As with every other HTTP verb, the setup of delete is mostly taken care of for us so long as we follow the naming convention. In this case, it's going to be deleteAction. The process for deleting is quite straightforward. We're going to make use of the private method findAlbumById, which you can see just below our deleteAction. Now, as we've covered already, if the requested ID is not available, we're going to throw, which results in a 404. Otherwise, we'll get back the requested album from the database. Once we have the album entity, we want to call Doctrine's remove method. This marks the record for deletion the next time changes are flushed off to the database. So we'll immediately flush this change. Finally, we return a view where we have null as our data, our first argument, and our second argument is a 204 or no content response code. This means things went well, but we have nothing to show the end user. As we haven't yet done so, let's start by checking the router to ensure that our delete album route exists. And then let's send in our test and confirm that we have a pass.